All right, CCL is in Quincy today joining Steve Trudeau at one of their latest builds. And here's Steve, the owner, and we're going to dive into a little bit about the newest project.
Thanks, Pat. Yeah, we chose to partner with CCL on this project. They've provided all the framing for the project and pretty much the whole exterior package. We're using AZEK for all our trim. We're using double dip white cedar Malbec shingles for the siding. And then Huber provided all the Zip R sheathing for the house, as well as their Zip rain screen. Maybe we can kind of show them kind of a close-up of kind of our assembly here.
Sure. So let's step inside and check it out. We are at the front of the build, and we have a couple different things going on here. Some white cedar shingles, some R sheathing by Zip, and the rain screen they provided as well. And Steve's going to get into a little bit as to why they use these products.
Engineer spec half-inch CDX for our shear loads. So then we, on top of that, we put our 1-inch Zip R sheathing.
Yep.
Taped everything with the Huber zip tape. And then on top of that is our rain screen. And it gives us about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch, air gap between the siding and the sheathing. If water gets behind here, it can easily drain out. So when we had some of the shingles still open at the top, we dumped water in behind, and within a matter of seconds, all that water drained out, letting the sheathing dry out and letting our shingles dry out. We went with the double dip sand dune over here. Do you want to talk a little bit about why we picked the Malbecs?
Yeah, so with the Maybach 2 coat, the customer gets the manufacturer's 20-year warranty. On top of that, the shingles are coated on all 6 sides for maximum protection.
Down the road, the customer's not going to have any problems with white cedar shingles, especially being so close to the waterfront. All right, we're up here on the 2nd floor balcony, and we're going to point out a couple of the details we have up here. One of the services that CCL does offer and True Design Build takes advantage of is our CNC work. We were able to fabricate these custom brackets, the elliptical window with the casing, we can bend it all the way around, and Steve also took advantage of our railing, our custom railing options, where we can bend it from here. Steve?
Yeah, so we have a custom rail cap. It's going to be about 11 inches wide, and it's on a slight radius here, so they're going to bend it up so we can then miter it in the field. Again, the whole house is the Malbec shingles. If you look up top here, we added a little bit of detail and used the Malbec diamond shingles.
Sure.
I think it just adds some nice character.